Hi, welcome in this new video in which I'm going to show you how to build a Panzer II in micro scale. I'm going to do a micro Panzer II this version, and I'm also going to do a Luchs. I'm not sure I'm saying Luchs. I have no idea how to pronounce that right. But we're going to start with the regular Panzer II, and then I'm going to show you how to do the Luchs. Before I start doing showing you how to build it, I will of course in a couple of seconds show you the parts list. First you compose it, you collect the parts, and then start the building steps. But before that, some advertising like always. This Panzer I micro scale is made by Airman, and he designed it for OmahaBricks. So building instructions for this one available at OmahaBricks.com. I will put a direct link to this product in the description of this video. And I also have two of these micro Stankgützes 3. Yeah, awesome design by Jan, who is also one of the OmahaBricks team members. But these are not available at OmahaBricks.com. You can build these two with the building instructions that I do on a tutorial video, and I will put a link up there for that video. These two are made with original Lego parts, as you can see, but I wanted to add some more color to my Stuk line, so I made 3 more. And these 3 use parts that are not all available in the colors from Lego. So I made these with parts from WeBrick, and they are GoBrick brand parts. And as you might see, if I put them all together, I don't think you really can show which parts are original Lego and which are not GoBricks, because other than can show the brand on top of the studs, there's hardly no difference in quality at all. I would say 99% equal quality. I put a link to that website for these, where you get these parts, in the description of this video. And that said and done, I think it's time to start first with a basic Panzer II. Parts list coming up. So you now have one Panzer II. I forgot to mention in these colors. I just build it like that. You can all, of course, use these colors too. Feel free to do it how you like. In a couple of seconds, once again, parts list, but this time for the Luchs. And yeah, after that, the steps to build it. So I don't have that version for myself yet. I'm going to do it as soon as possible. I'm going to probably build it with GoBricks. And yeah, here comes the part list. So that one's done too. But I have one small tiny extra gift to you guys, to make the Luchs, the last one we did, but then in colors. Like I found them a lot on internet, and I chose to go with a dark tan, reddish brown, and olive green. But many of those parts aren't available in Lego color. So the next version that I'm going to show you is a WW2 only version. So you can build it with Lego, you have to build it with WW2. But if you don't have WW2, go to the link in the description, and yeah, you can buy them right there. If you buy them by using my link, you also sponsor my channel a little bit, so it makes me possible to make more content for you guys. So highly appreciate it if you would use that link. Parts list coming up. That's it for this video. I will thank you for watching. I hope you will like this video. I hope you will comment on this video, and I really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel for more content. Micro scale and minifig scale coming up next. And yeah, if you subscribe and push the notification button, you will get notified when I upload a new video. In the meanwhile, go check out OmahaBricks.com for awesome micro designs and minifig designs. Check out other videos in my channel selection. I will put up a card over there with more micro scale builds. And please, if you were going to use WW2, use the link in the description, so you have sponsored my channel a little bit too. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.